Good evening, everyone. It is my pleasure to welcome you all in Lead Mentoring session. Lead is an leadership enrichment for adolescents through assessment and development. Its vision is nurturing new generation leaders, and mission is fostering leadership by providing opportunities to discover, develop, demonstrate their unique abilities for creating and sustaining ethical leadership in society. After 3 years of intense research by a team of psychologists, LEAD framework was developed. It is based on positive youth development framework of Richard Lerner. LEAD aims to develop leadership capabilities amongst adolescents through 4 dimensions of competence, collaboration, character, and confidence. Started in 2013, LEAD has already extended its programs to more than 30,000 students. Most of these programs are now available in virtual variant also. So I'll just take a few minutes and take you through our various programs. We are having the virtual. So it uses various experiential mode to help participants discover their leadership capability. We have conducted around 4 various lead camps during the design for the high school students. It identifies key strengths of students, highlights the areas of improvement, and provides detailed analysis on 17 leadership traits. The next is Lead Awards. It is one of the most awaited event organized every year since 2013 for students of 8th to 12th grade. In this program, students from all over India who are from different schools, they compete on one platform and they go through 6 different stages that challenges them to develop various skills and gives them real life exposure. So this year will be the 8th Lead Awards, and we are going to conduct it in complete virtual mode. You can see some glimpses here. So every year in Lead Awards, we have some special chief guests who interact with the students and give them award. And it is very, very enthusiastic program for the students. The journey itself is a complete new experience that gives them lot of learning. The next program we have is Lead Pinofine. It is again a virtual platform for students, where students from different schools, they come together, discuss on a particular topic. It basically is conducted to cultivate the habit among students of sharing their ideas and opinions. And what we are gathered here today for is the Lead Mentorpine. Lead Mentorpine is a series of webinars for the parents, teachers, and educators. And we are having these sessions every Sunday with our experts. Today, as our expert, we are having Pooja Anjnikar ma'am. So welcome, Pooja ma'am. Pooja ma'am is in the field of education for the last 18 years. She is the founder of Maven of Education, Mumbai, and currently she is the principal at Shanti Asiatic School of Mehsana. She has also won award of Young Educator from National Foundation for Entrepreneurship 2018 and Excellent Principal APJ Abdul Kalam Avantika Award. She has also won an award for social initiatives from International United Education Fraternity. She is also a certified trainer from National Skill Development Corporation. Ma'am, we are very pleased to have you with us today.
Thank you, Shivani. It was a great introduction. And good evening, everyone. Happy Guru Purnima to everyone. It's great to see you all over here. And I'm thankful for the lead to giving me this opportunity. Being into from this training sector, the topics different we speak on. हम अलग-अलग topics में जब बात करते हैं तो हमें भी experiences बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है लोगों से जब बात करते हैं तो. So here I'll be today talking on rise over failure. It's very interesting topic and nowadays it's a need of time. So guys, I'll be talking into 2 languages. I hope it's okay for you all. If it's okay, just show me a thumb. Which both languages okay? Yeah, thanks. I could read your messages even. So Shivani, let's go towards the slide where I would like to explain you all what exactly means failure. फेलियर एक ऐसा पार्ट है जहां पे हम सबने ऑब्जर्व किया होगा फेलियर पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ आवर लाइफ। पर बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं जो फेलियर को डाइजेस्ट नहीं कर पाते। जब डाइजेस्ट नहीं कर पाते इसलिए इतने हम सेशंस लेते हैं ताकि लोग फेलियर के साथ they would be able to accept it and learn from the failure। तो आज ये सेशन इसी के लिए है। Okay, Suman ma'am, I will be mixing two languages because Hindi and is commonly used. I will be mixing two languages and speak. I guess that's okay. Thank you. So here is the meaning for failure is lack of success in doing something। मतलब कुछ करने के लिए हम जा रहे हैं बट हमें सक्सेस नहीं मिला। We did not get success when we are doing something। That is called as failure। If I'll give you an example for this, अगर आप एग्जाम लिखने जा रहे हो and you did not pass, so we term that as a failure। And the fact of not doing something you must do or are expected to do means everyone has an expectations that you need to do this and that। Suppose in the society people say that at the age of 25 or at the before 30 you should get married and settle down, and if you don't have that, that means the life is a failure for people। So this is an example where I could say that expected people को जो होता है after that it is not done means it's a failure। और failure again a greater statement would be trying to do something। failure when you do something, अगर कुछ करने की कोशिश करते हो automatically that is called as a failure। when you do something it's a failure। if you're not doing something then you are definitely a failure। but when you're doing something that means you're trying, and you're trying means there will be failure or a winner। so this is one, it's like two parts of one coin, head or tail। so this was the meaning of failure। I'll give a small living life example of failure। suppose like if you are going for a daily or traveling with a train and suppose you miss your train, you can term as your failure। so failures is part of our life but we don't admire those things। when we start admire small failures also, we also know that there are so many failures in our life which we are digesting, but when it comes for the bigger failure हमें वो digest नहीं होता, we give up at that moment of time। so today's session we will be dealing about what are the failures and how we can overcome those। so Shivani, can we go to the next slide please? thank you। so there are many people, where do they fail in our life? कहाँ failure होता है, कहाँ होता है? like it's in career, absolutely right। like career is the part where people get, they feel if we are not successful on a career means everything is failure, हम पूरे खत्म हो गए। even if in the marriage, if we get divorced or something happens to our marriage, we say that we are failure in a relationship। even breakups happen nowadays, like for youngsters failure of life is termed as, if the failure of relation is there means failure of life the term is at। so everywhere when they reach to a failure it is called to be dead end for them। even in exams for the students, as soon as they get failure they term themselves that the life is end। then usually people, games is an ideal example of failure। जहां पे आप देख सकते हो क्रिकेट की मैच, अगर पाकिस्तान इंडिया की अगर मैच है एंड इफ इंडिया हार जाती है उसमें, वी से दैट इट इज आवर फेलियर। सो गेम इज इन वेयर यू कैन से दैट जीत और हार होती ही रहती है, बट सम पीपल आर नॉट एबल टू डाइजेस्ट दैट लॉस or that failure, even of health। if we are not keeping our health proper, we say that our health has been failure। so there are many possibilities and many ways where failure happens to us in our daily life, but today in this session we will learn how to overcome this failure। I guess itna samajh mein aaya, you can just give me feedback so that I would be able to give more examples and how you want this session to be more interactive। एक दूसरे से बात करते रहेंगे तो इट विल बी मोर गुड फॉर मी टू बी इंटरेक्टेड। थैंक यू नंदिता मैम, इट्स गुड टू सी द मैसेजेस। सो नाउ वील गो प्रोसीड फर्दर टू रीजंस ऑफ फेलियर। रीजंस ऑफ फेलियर मीन्स किसके कारण फेलियर होती है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सी वी कांट ब्लेम इंडिविजुअल, ऐसे सबको ब्लेम नहीं कर सकते, बट देयर शुड बी अ स्पेसिफिक रीजन, राइट। So everyone's life अलग-अलग experience होते हैं, everyone's life there are failures। so here what I have jotted down few points Like you fail because you are afraid to stand out among the crowd. What does this mean? मतलब दुनिया से अलग हम करने को प्रॉब्लम है हमें. We are not able to stand differently. We are not able to feel that हम जैसे दुनिया करती है, how the crowd does, same way अगर हम कर नहीं पाते, so we are afraid to stand. Suppose I'll give you an example. अगर किसी को फिल्म लाइन में जाना है, बॉलीवुड में जाना है, what they think, अरे बॉलीवुड में सिर्फ खूबसूरत लोग जाते हैं. सिंपल एग्जाम्पल, वो जाने से पहले ही हार मान लेते हैं. क्यों? There are so many people who are not even looking attractive, but still they are stars in Bollywood. You can give me some examples of those who are not that much looking good, but they are stars, they were stars into Bollywood, or they are stars in the Bollywood. So you can give me an example. Yeah, absolutely right. Ajay Devgan, they did not think, but they are standing, out of the crowd. Yes, Amitabh Bachchan is a true example of a winner towards failure. Good. Second point I would like to elaborate is you fail because you don't believe it's possible. सबसे पहली बात कि हमें लगता है कि हम उसको कर ही नहीं पाएंगे. मीन्स स्टार्ट करने से पहले, बिफोर starting only we feel that we are a failure. Before starting only we feel we are a failure. So this way what happens, we don't start itself. So when we don't start, then definitely we'll be failure, no? You can even share your life's example. I would like to put light on that even कि आप failure से overcome कैसे हुए थे. So that will also be a good example. Till this session has been started, हम इसके ऊपर भी बात कर सकते हैं. So when हम शुरुआत ही नहीं करते, जब ट्राई करने का मौका आया, हमें पहले से पता चलता है कि इसमें पॉसिबल नहीं है. जस्ट प्रीवियस एग्जांपल मैंने दे दिया. हमें ऐसा लगता है वेर in Bollywood there are only beautiful faces are allowed to go, or only those faces can go to the modeling who have a good figure. So इसीलिए हम जाने की कोशिश ही. It does not mean in industry there are many 10 size 20 size people also who are plus size people are also growing high. So that's a great example of success. It does not, हमारे beliefs जो होते हैं that stops us. So thank you Nidhi. I will use both Hindi and English too. So you fail to network and build strong relationship. This is again one more example where I could say where people लोगों से बात करना नहीं चाहते हो, या they don't want to share or get experience. कुछ भी काम करने से पहले अगर वो अपना एक strong network build करके रहे, background study करके रहे, then only they will be able to have a success in their life. But कुछ सोचे समझे अगर काम कर देते हैं तो definitely we reach towards failure because you are distracted. Very much true for the children. जब उनको ऐसा लगता है, I'll give an example. अगर बच्चा बोलता है मम्मा मैंने होमवर्क कर लिया, मैंने पढ़ाई कर ली है, एंड रिजल्ट जब आता है तो 40 में मार्क्स आता है, तो मम्मा बोलती है तुम तो रोज पढ़ाई करते, तो फेलियर कैसे हो गए? तो पढ़ाई अगर डिस्ट्रैक्शन के साथ हुई है तो पढ़ने के बाद तो दिमाग तो खाली हो जाने वाला है, अगर मोबाइल में वापस सर डाल दिया तो. So it is like distraction happens even when we are focused to do something. इसलिए आपने देखा होगा बहुत सारे लोग जब मेडिटेशन करते हैं तो ऋषि मुनि वगैरह सब हिमालय में जाते थे मेडिटेशन करने के लिए. Why they want that? Just because they wanted to have concentration. Distraction नहीं होना चाहिए. उसमें भी अगर कोई अफसर आ गए तो डिस्ट्रैक्शन तो ऑटोमेटिकली होने वाला है. So this was just an humor to this session. So distraction you would have understood. There are many types of distractions which come. You fail because you rather argue against the advice instead of taking it. पापा कोई एडवाइस देते हैं कि बेटा ऐसा कर, मेरे लाइफ में ऐसा हुआ था, दिस इज हैपन इन माय लाइफ, यू डोंट डू दैट मिस्टेक अगेन. डू वी लिसन? आई गेस बहुत सारे लोग अपने पापा से बात करना ही बंद करते होंगे कि पापा तो हमेशा बोल बच्चन बोलते रहते हैं, बहुत सारे ज्ञान बांटते रहते हैं, एंड दैट इज नॉट गोइंग टू हेल्प मी. मम्मी पापा रोज उठ के बोलेंगे भाई पढ़ो पढ़ो पढ़ो, नौकरी करने के लिए बोलेंगे तो वी विल से नहीं, दिस इज नॉट द प्लेस वेयर आई शुड डू. एंड इसके लिए हम नहीं सुनते एडवाइजेस. इनफैक्ट वी स्टार्ट गिविंग आर्ग्यूइंग और गिविंग एक्सक्यूजेस. इसके कारण क्या होता है, जब हम, अगर हो सकता है कि उनके एक्सपीरियंस के कारण अगर हमने कमाल किया होगा तो हमें भी आइडियाज मिलते हैं। आई गिव एन एग्जांपल ऑफ माय जनरल लाइफ इवन। ये थोड़ा सा कॉमेडी भी हो सकता है इसमें। आई गिव एन एग्जांपल। कैसे होता है, आई एम अ प्रिंसिपल सिंस लास्ट मेनी इयर्स, और जब भी मैं कोई नई स्कूल लेती हूँ तो मेरे डैड जो है, ही डज नॉट हैव एनी एजुकेशन बैकग्राउंड। उन्होंने पुराने 10th कभी की थी, वेरी ओल्ड इज नाउ, बट ही विल डेली कॉल मी एंड ही विल से, अच्छा आज तुमने क्या डिसीजन लिया, आज तुमने क्या, कौन कौन आया था मिलने के लिए, हाउ वॉज योर डे, एंड ही विल आस्क मी तुम्हें ना ऐसा करना चाहिए, तुम्हें वैसा करना चाहिए, एंड व्हाट यू नो 1 hour कंप्लीटली आई सिट एंड लिसन दैट, एंड व्हाट हैपेंस, यू नो, मेरे से अगर कोई पॉइंट रह जाता है, ही कवर्स दैट पॉइंट बाय हिज एक्सपीरियंसेस शेयरिंग। उससे क्या हो जाता है, मेरी लाइफ में फेलियर बहुत कम हो जाता है। फिर इफ कभी कभी हमारे दिमाग में क्या होता है, वी हैव सम थॉट, बट हम वो एब्सेंट माइंडेडली होता है, हमें समझ में नहीं आता है, कभी भूल जाते हैं, एब्सेंट माइंडेडली बैक कहीं दिमाग में होता है, बट अगर वो किसी की बात हम सुने, वो ख्याल ऑटोमेटिकली आ जाता है। गिव एन अगेन एग्जांपल फॉर दिस। अगर हमारे पास फूड की लिस्ट है तो हम बराबर फूड की लिस्ट के हिसाब से सामान लेकर आएंगे, पर समझो अगर लिस्ट ही नहीं है, हाँ, और अब सामान लेने के लिए आ गए, तो कोई ना कोई चीज तो चूक जाएगी ना। आर यू ऑल अग्रीइंग विथ मी? लिस्ट लेकर जाते तो पक्का वी आर प्रिपेयर्ड, so we will be able to get success of buying all the things properly, but बिना लिस्ट के अगर हम जा रहे हैं तो will he be successful? That means what? हमें प्रिपेयर्ड नहीं थे, एंड देन वी आर नॉट एबल टू बी एबल टू परचेज व्हाट वी वांटेड। और इसीलिए क्या हो जाता है, मॉल में चले जाते हैं, जो नहीं चाहिए वही पहले खरीद के लेकर आ जाते हैं, इसलिए लंबा चौड़ा बिल हमारे पास आ जाता है। दिस इज व्हाट कॉल्ड कि अगर हम प्रिपेयर होके जाते तो जहां 2000 का बिल आना चाहिए था वहां 1000 का बिल आ जाता। तो दिस इज अगेन सक्सेस फेलियर, लाइवली एग्जाम्पल। So you fail because you don't take responsibility for what is happening in your life. ये सबसे ज्यादा सबके लोगों में होता है, that मैं कुछ कर रही हूं उसका मेरे पास रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं लेना है मुझे, whatever is happening is किसी और के कारण मैं कर रही हूँ। So what happens, people does not take our own responsibility of success or failure. ये बहुत बड़ा पॉइंट है इसमें, जनरल लाइफ में ये बहुत बड़ा अगर फेलियर हो जाता है, ऑटोमेटिकली ये चीजें होती है। व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन वी, मैम उससे पहले वाली स्लाइड प्लीज। ओके करेक्ट, इट्स डन नाउ, नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज शिवानी, नेक्स्ट स्लाइड। यस गुड। तो हम जब फेल हो जाते तो क्या करते हैं, आई गेस एवरीवन विल एग्री दिस पॉइंट, लाइक सबसे पहला काम है रोना, आंसू ऑटोमेटिकली आ जाते हैं, और इतना रोते कि सामने वाला बोलते हैं तू हारा है भाई और कुछ नहीं हुआ है, बट हम अपने आप को कमरे में बंद कर देते हैं, हम खाना नहीं खाएंगे, हम अपने आप को हर्ट करेंगे, हम स्ट्रेस हो जाएंगे, फ्रस्ट्रेट हो जाएंगे, सबसे पहली बात क्या करेंगे, गुस्सा निकालेंगे। या कोई कोई लोग इससे भी स्मार्ट होते हो, क्या करते हैं, एकदम साइलेंट हो जाते हैं। क्यों साइलेंट हो भाई, मैं हार गए, तो हार गया मतलब तुम 2 घंटे बात नहीं करोगे। दिस इज व्हाट इज योर रिएक्शन टुवर्ड्स फेलियर। मतलब क्या है कि आप बीमार पड़े हो, आपको क्या हुआ है और उसका सिम्टम्स क्या है, बुखार आ रहा है, तो मतलब आप फेलियर हुए हैं, और उसका सिम्टम्स क्या है, रिएक्शन क्या दे रहे हो, आप गुस्सा हो, चीजें फेंक रहे हो। छोटे बच्चे होते हैं ना कि अगर अपने कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेट किया है, जियो जान लगा दिया है और उसका नंबर नहीं आया, तो घर आके पहले जूते फेंकेंगे, बैग फेंकेंगे और जोर जोर से रोना शुरू करेंगे, टीचर को ब्लेम करेंगे, खुद भी एंग्री रहेंगे, मम्मी को भी कुछ ना कुछ बोल देंगे और रोना शुरू करेंगे, और फिर डिप्रेशन में बोलेंगे मुझे पिज्जा खाना है। So this is what a small child feels for the failure, and higher people तो घर पे पता नहीं क्या क्या करेंगे फेलियर जब आता है तो, मतलब अपना फ्रस्ट्रेशन निकालने के लिए वो किसी को मार भी सकते क्योंकि मैं फेलियर में हूं। सो फेलियर इज अ वेरी बिगर एलिमेंट। आई डोंट नो व्हाई पीपल थिंक्स दैट इट इज अ वेरी बिगर एलिमेंट। मुझे नहीं लगता है, बिकॉज आई फील लाइक फेलियर इज अ पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ आवर लाइफ, क्योंकि डेली किसी ना किसी चीज में हम फेल होते हैं। अगर उस चीज को हम एक्सेप्ट कर सकते हैं तो बड़े बड़े फेलियर्स हम क्यों नहीं एक्सेप्ट कर सकते। तो दिस इज व्हिच आई वुड लाइक टू शेयर टुडे। शिवानी नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज। Yes, I guess it's not clear. Yeah, now it's clear. What do people do when they fail? सबसे पहली बात, तेरे कारण हुआ है ये, स्टार्ट गिविंग एक्सक्यूजेस। पापा की बात मानी नहीं होती ना तो आज मैं पास हो जाता, तुम्हारे कारण मैं इतना पढ़ रहा था कि एग्जाम लिखते वक्त ही मुझे नींद आ गई, तुमने बोला था सुबह उठ के पढ़ो तो मुझे बहुत नींद आ रही थी, इसलिए मैं एग्जाम नहीं लिख पाया। एक्सक्यूजेस, why I was not able to success because this and this happened in my life. Start blaming. हम क्या करते हैं, एक दूसरे के ऊपर इल्जाम लगाना शुरू करते हैं। हस्बैंड वाइफ में ये बहुत ज्यादा होता है, तूने मुझे सुबह टिफिन बना के नहीं दिया इसीलिए मेरी आज मीटिंग अच्छी नहीं गई, सुबह सुबह पता नहीं किसका चेहरा देख लिया था, मीटिंग अच्छी नहीं गई। सो दिस इज लाइक फेलियर इज, इसके कारण वो लोग क्या करते हैं, स्टार्ट ब्लेमिंग। सबसे बेहतरीन जो स्पोर्ट्स खेलते हैं या जो लोग ऐसा होता है ना, बिजनेस नया स्टार्ट करते हैं, स्टार्टअप्स होते हैं, तो वो क्या, अगर फेल हो गया बिजनेस तो तुरंत गिव अप। मैंने बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग देखे जो 40-40, 50-50 स्टार्टअप शुरू करते हैं और फेल हो जाते तो दूसरा, फेल हो जाते तो दूसरा, दे विल ओनली स्टार्ट एंड ऑफ, स्टार्ट एंड ऑफ। तो गिव अप करने का सिचुएशन होता है फेलियर में, रन अवे फ्रॉम द सिचुएशन। जैसे फेलियर आया वो ऐसे सोचते भाई दिस इज नॉट माई कप ऑफ टी एंड दे विल नॉट डू एनीथिंग, छोड़ देंगे, भाग जाएंगे। फेलियर का सेकेंड एक है, लोग बहुत आसानी से वो सोचते फेल हो गया मतलब लाइफ खत्म एंड आई विल सुसाइड। पीपल दे विल स्टार्ट पुटिंग हैबिट्स, ड्रिंकिंग करना शुरू करेंगे, अपने आप को हर्ट करना शुरू करेंगे। स्पेशली अगर फेलियर रिलेशनशिप में हो गया या किसी स्ट्रॉन्ग करियर गोल्स में फेलियर हो गया, जब उनको ऐसा लगता है कि सामने डेड एंड है, सुसाइड ही उनके लिए ऑप्शन बन जाता है। सो वी नीड टू रिमूव दिस ऑप्शन फ्रॉम देयर लाइफ। फेलियर को जैसे जीतना है फेलियर के ऊपर, तो वी डज नॉट हैव टू टेक सुसाइड, सुसाइड इज नॉट द वे। देन डिप्रेशन, डिप्रेशन में ऐसे आ जाते हैं कि अपने आप को कमरे में बंद कर देंगे, किसी से बात नहीं करेंगे, उनको ऐसा शर्म आती है। फेलियर मीन्स दे फील दैट आई एम नॉट एबल टू फेस, मेरी शक्ल में किसी को दिखाने के लायक ही नहीं रहा अगर मैं फेलियर हो गया। एंड गिव एन अगर एग्जांपल, अगर रिलेशनशिप में किसी का डिवोर्स हो गया है तो उस है और उसको किसी लेकर जाते हैं लेकर तो घर, because your relationship is a failure, you are being people. So if relationship happen, it is that you are not stop living your life. Think, we stop thinking very positive in our life, positive, and taking revenge. Example for this, किसी के कारण, if because of somebody we have got failure in our life, at that moment of time we start thinking for revenge, and because of this revenge we are not able to take the focus on the problems, rather than we just talk about revenge. Next slide, Shivani. So what must we do when we fail? I'll just explain you one by one. Face your fear of failure. फेलियर के डर से ही, अगर हमें डर लगता है फेलियर से, जैसे अगर किसी को रीमैरिज करना है तो उनको डर लगता है, बोलते हैं ना कि जला हुआ छाछ भी फूक फूक के पीता है, मीन्स ही इज स्कैर्ड, फेल्ड वंस, so is scared of standing back again. So if he's failed, so they don't feel like to stand back again. Practicing healthy coping skills. हम कोप अप नहीं कर पाते इसलिए वी आर नॉट एबल टू, वी आर नॉट प्रैक्टिसिंग इट, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट स्किल्स के ऊपर हम ओवरकम नहीं कर पाते. एम्ब्रेस योर इमोशंस, वी आर नॉट एबल टू कंट्रोल आवर इमोशंस. एक्नॉलेज इनरैशनल बिलीव्स अबाउट फेलियर. फेलियर के ऊपर हम ऐसा सोचना शुरू कर देते कि हमारे लाइफ में ऐसे ही होने वाला है. फेलियर इज फिक्स इन आवर लाइफ. Suppose if I'll give an example, I had a friend of mine. She was continuously failing in her 12th standard. Almost 4 times she had failed, but she never gave up. She had a great motive in her life. Immediately when she used to fail, she used to start preparing for the next exam. I really learned many things from her. and after 4th attempt she has passed with a very good marks. Even IPSC UPSC जो करते हैं वो कितने attempts के बाद पास होते हैं. So that is again a success after failure. Then develop realistic thoughts about failure. If we are not realistic, we don't have practical goals, then we will definitely fail. So whenever we are failing, we need to be very practical. Recognize unhealthy attempts to reduce pain. Means अगर हमने fail हुए हैं तो we need to think ऐसा हमने क्या किया था because of which we are failed, what we have done wrong that we have failed. So we need to think. Research failure, famous failures. Means हम लोग को जो लोग होते हैं, this I will explain you at the end, this point. Create a plan for moving forward. I told you about this example ना, कि जैसे ही वो fail होती थी, my friend about, वो जैसे ही fail होती थी, immediately she used to plan for the next. She used to not stop for crying. She used to know her next action plan, and she used to start working for what to do next. Rather than blaming, rather than showing reactions, you used to start working back again. Ask yourself what you can learn. Means from the failure, what you have learned. आपको क्या समझ में आया है कि हम ये failure है. People, you can give me your responses, feedbacks. अब तक आपको session कैसा लग रहा है? And keep ready with your questions, please. Keep ready with your question. Is it audible? Am I audible? Shivani, you can go to the next slide, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please prepare your questions, people. Now, how will you rise after a failure? This is the main topic. Failure होने के बाद हम कैसे overcome कर सकते हैं? First important thing is that अपने दिमाग में हम fail हो गए हैं, that you don't have to think, first of all. Because you should keep into your mind that failure is a second step, the first step for success. कि अगर फेल हो गए मतलब हम सक्सेस के बहुत नजदीक है. So this you need to put in your mind. So think positive first of all. We need to think positive. Then analyze and choose the right direction. When you are analyzing your failure, you need to jot down on the paper that this is the failure which has been happened to us. Then we can have corrections into it and take the next step. Take responsibility and accept your failure. You don't have to say that अरे मैं तो हार गया, अब मैं किसी के ऊपर ब्लेम डाल के we will go. No, it's not like that. अपनी गलती है, हमारा फेलियर है, वो किसी के कारण भी हुआ हो, but we need to accept the mistake. We need to say that it's failure of my life and I need to overcome it. अगर आप इस तरह पॉजिटिव रहेंगे, you have to try it again and again, then only you would be. जिसका एग्जाम्पल मैं दूंगी आपको. जैसे आपने देखा होगा कि चींटी जब छोटा सा दाना लेकर ऊपर चढ़ती है, ant when takes a small piece of sugar and she climbs, how many times she falls down and how many times she climbs up. This is a true example of failure. So you need to try back again and again and again. But in this also I could have clauses that आप try भी करो, I don't mind, but relevant try is more necessary. बस ऐसे ही try करते रहेंगे और उसमें जिंदगी निकल गई, this is not the true one. But you need to see if you are doing the relative exercises over there, then only you will be able to get success. Again I'll give an example. किसी को weight lose करना है and वो try करते जा रहे हैं पर same method से try कर रहे हैं, तो how will they get success? So अगर वो method change करते हैं, अपने आप को थोड़ा सा change करते हैं, they will also be able to understand that okay my method was wrong, so I need to change and restart back again. So restart faster than wasting time. बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं वो क्या करते हैं, नहीं मैं फेल हो गया हूं, मैं थोड़ा गैप लूंगा, घूम पर आऊंगा, पार्टी वार्टी करूंगा, फेलियर की पार्टी दूंगा, उसके बाद मैं रिस्टार्ट करूंगा. सो इट डिपेंड्स ना हाउ द पर्सन टेक्स. मैंने अभी सुना है रिसेंटली लोग डिवोर्स की बात की भी पार्टी देते हैं, दैट डिवोर्स हो गया, ब्रेकअप पार्टी. हाई वो ब्रेकअप के सॉन्ग्स भी आप लोगों ने सुने होंगे. सो व्हाट दे आर डूइंग इज दैट रिस्टार्टिंग विद ग्रेसफुल माइंडसेट. फेलियर को भी वो सक्सेस की तरह ले रहे हैं. सो रोने धोने से अच्छा है तो ये नया आइडिया है ना. लोग बोलते हैं शादियों में विदा हो रहे तो रो के विदा हो जाओ. और व्हाई व्हेन यू आर स्टार्टिंग अ न्यू लाइफ व्हाई यू नीड टू क्राई? जस्ट गिव मी अ पॉज, आई नीड टू ड्रिंक वाटर. Be brave and stable. What happens, when we accept our failure, हम एक experience से बढ़ जाते हैं, हम बड़े होते हैं, experience जैसे लेते हैं. All the top people who have reached towards those people have got ample of failures. इसीलिए तो वो ऊपर तक पहुंचे हैं. मतलब क्या है, they have tried and tried and tried and then they have reached towards that place. So first thing you need to understand that failure is the first step of success. आपको हार नहीं माननी है. You need to start doing it. And we need to be brave. Acknowledge your mistakes and never repeat it back. I gave an example ना, अगर वेट कम करना है पर सेम तरीके से अगर आप करते जाओगे तो घंटा ये चेंज होने वाला, इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू हैपन ना. सपोज आप वेट लॉस करने के लिए जा रहे हो और रेगुलरली वही एक्सरसाइजेस कर रहे हो तो कैसे वेट लॉस होने वाला है. बट इफ यू आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट चलो इससे नहीं हो रहा है, वी विल डू समथिंग एल्स, देन ओनली वी कैन ट्राई. देन इज क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग. यू शुड एनालाइज योर थॉट कि why I have failed, इसके पीछे मैंने क्या गलत किया था, why, what was the reason behind my failure. You can take suggestions, you can talk to the people, you can explain them your situations and then try to ask them in this situation what you have done. Even people like us, we also have many of our gurus in our life where before doing something we take opinions, suggestions, because we also don't want failure. So before doing failure, we do so many trials and errors. It is not, success is not one night journey. It's a long process. Try and error, then only you'll get the success. Then the last point is you need to trust in yourself and God. Everyone has to be. क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग होता है, many people, what happens, they fail. When they fail, they give up their trust in God. They say that now God is not going to do anything. God is not help me. If a person is not getting job from years and years, he thinks that I don't trust God. Nothing is going to happen good into my life. So he accepts the failure and keep quiet. But in fact, if he thinks like that my life has been not made or born for jobs, but my life has been born for business. In अगर वो अपना life business की तरफ turn कर देता तो शायद उसको success हो जाता. But he just kept on thinking, saying that I'm not born for jobs. मैं जॉब, भगवान मुझे जॉब नहीं दे रहा, I don't trust God. If he says like that, but if he acknowledges failure and then take that as an opportunity and starts doing business, that means what, the person is into right track. अगर job नहीं मिली तो क्या हुआ, let's try our luck in business. So Shivani, next slide please. So here is a time where I could give you an example of Amitabh Bachchan, where these are the people, there are few people, there are many on this, but these are few people who have overcome with the success. I will give an example of Amitabh Bachchan. Amitabh Bachchan ki height ke karan, because of his height and because of his voice, nobody used to accept him. You know what happened once when he went to Akashvani radio for giving an interview, he was not selected for his voice. And when he went for Bollywood for movies, he was not selected at starting, saying that he does not has a good personality. But once when his picture was become hit, everyone has accepted. So सबने क्या किया था, accept कर लिया था उसको. And but at the time जब उसकी पिक्चरें नहीं चलने लगे, once he was bankrupted, मतलब he did not had anything with him and बहुत बुरी अवस्था में था. Then his friend helped him out and then KBC के द्वारा he again came back to the track. आप देख सकते हो at the age of now he's at 70s I guess, and still he's working and giving hit pictures. What does that means? Means he has come out from his failures and experiences has made him so strong that now if failure comes also, he is very strong. He will never give up. He will try till he gets success. This is the thing. Even Thomas Edison Edison, he has tried so many times to make that electric bulb. But at the end, after trying so much times, after taking so much failure, he got this. Even Steve Jobs, he made his own company, but for his failure, he was removed from his own company. And after trying lots of attempts, he came back again. So this was all for my session, guys. I guess you have got your own questions. I'm here ready to give up my questions. And I tried to explain how you can overcome failure. If you have some questions for your personal life even, I would like to counsel how to overcome those. And I guess you have liked the session. Do give me feedback what you are expecting. We still have time and we can still talk more. Shivani, you can close down the slide also. It's okay for me. So let's talk on failure more. See, in our general life, if we think that failure is part and parcel, then only we would be able to reach towards the success. Even this diagram is telling us that what most people think. What most people think is that failure and success goes hand in hand. And what successful people think is fail, fail, fail and reach to success. Fail, fail and reach to success. Okay, this is something Reenu Shah ma'am. She has kept something. Okay, she has written an. Any question, guys? Is success possible without failure? Absolutely no. It is only possible success we can get. See, किसी को भी नहीं पता what is future. Nobody knows. But if we are prepared well, then there are chances to get success. I'll give an example for that. We don't know either what percentage we are going to get before writing the paper. But if you are prepared well, there are many children, you know, they are so perfect that they can count their absolute marks when they come out with their when they write the paper. They are so sure, means what they have prepared and planned so perfectly that they know that they are going to get success. So there are chances that we can get success only when we are prepared well. I guess Husaina Banu ma'am, I have answered your question. Yes, we feel scared of failure. Everyone, like sometimes I also, what happens, you know, काम करने से पहले बहुत डर लगता है. Then what I do, I call up my mom and I take so many motivations from her. I'll give a small example of my life. I do share this with many of the people. When I was small in my 10th standard, I used to be always at my home, like घर से off, like school से घर, घर से school. This was only my life. And when I got admission into college, my college was far away, and I was very scared. Ki how will I travel? You know what? My mom said me that in your life there will be many challenges, but just to have the failure, just the fear of failure will not let you to get success. You will be never reach to the success if you have the failure कि तुम कर ही नहीं पाओगी. So she gave me different tries or different opportunities where I learned traveling, and now I'm so expert in traveling that I reach to any destination alone. So I still go back and think कि मैं एक टाइम पे ऐसी थी, अगर मैं ऐसा नहीं कर सकती थी तो I would have not able to cope up with my success, like failure. Surely you can ask from them, you will get the slide. Yes, agree. I would answer this question. How can students get motivated to try again and again? Very good question, ma'am. Seema ma'am. See, children, small children, you know, when they get failure, parents play a very vital role into it. What happens? They have to be a very strong pillar at their side. If we criticize the child saying that you are failed, this word hit them too much. So we should not criticize them. In fact, you need to tell them that you have gotten second opportunity to do best. अगर आप फेल हो गए हो, अगर उनको आप बोलोगे so they will suppress themselves, depress themselves. So you need to tell them that I have got a second opportunity to pass. I'll again give you an example. One of my friend who took divorce, it just don't take me otherwise. When she took divorce, she said me, it's good that I'm not failure. In fact, I've gotten about again a greater opportunity to choose a right man now. So this is what is the right thought process, the right attitude towards admiring the failure. So जब भी बच्चा आपका fail होता है, if the person is failing, you need to motivate them by giving examples of how the person has failed and then got the success. Whom do they counsel for? Negative comments or comparisons are also obstacles for success about failure. Exactly, Neeta ma'am, exactly. Society plays a very vital role. जैसे ही fail होता है, they are ready to sit to give comments, especially our relatives, especially those people who कभी-कभी हमारे friends भी they start making it. So what is the first step you need to do when you get some criticism? Is to smile at them. Is to smile at them and take this as an opportunity, saying that now I have gotten best opportunity and a second chance to do my work. Failure is the second chance to do the work more greaterly and goodly. I guess I have answered that question. Success gives birth to negativity. This negativity persists longer. So how to remove the negativity, especially while the person is alone or having no work? Exactly, very nice thing. जब हमारे पास काम नहीं होता है, जब we don't have any work, and at that moment of time we become very negative and we feel that we are not able to do anything. So at that moment of time, negativity it grows into our head, and that moment of time, what happens? We start thinking so much negativity and we are not able to focus on the work. So what we have to do at that moment of time, we need to jot down the points. What are our skills? If you are not getting job, it's okay, but we can jot down our points, that what are our skills and on which basis we can do more better. So if you work on our expertise, if you know what we can do best, at least we can give try on it, rather than cursing ourselves, rather than thinking that failure is only made for us. We need to think ourselves that what are our skills and by which we can overcome it. So this way the person can come out when they don't have work. Like, if our parent is running from the situation, then what can we do? I did not get this question. Please, Charu ma'am, can you elaborate this question? No, it really, Renu ma'am, it really exists. Like, failure and success, it depends on the thought process of the person, how they take it, how they think. Suppose if they think that any event, if they are doing it, and if they feel that this work was done by this way, and give an example I'll give you. अगर आप dance practice करते हो, okay, when you are doing practice, you are doing it alone, okay, and we are performing on the stage at that moment of time. अगर हमने step भूल गए, तो किसको पता चल रहा है कि हमने step भूल गए? Only we know it, no? If we know it that our step was wrong, then what happens? हम stage से नीचे उतरने के बाद we start saying, oh, my dance was not successful. Why? Because I did not do that step. Who knows that you have done that step? Who knows that what was your dance? But agar you when you admire that whatever I perform it at the best, then you are successful every time. But if you start criticizing yourself, that means you are definitely a failure. I guess I have answered that question. If students does not want to study, what to do? When I say I will complain, then on that fear they will complete their work. Exactly. क्योंकि complaint का इसमें fear success failure नहीं है. They feel that उनको डर है कि complaint का, parents से डरते हैं, इसलिए they are doing the work. This is like sometimes it works. Like, how do you cope up when even doing great you get insulted on your work efforts at the workplace? Exactly. What happens? We have some expectations from our leaders or from our bosses, and because of this, when we are not able to get those answers what we are expected, we feel insulted. So I guess, Tanvi ma'am, you should not expect only anything, because if you get appreciation, your progress will stop. So many of the bosses, see, I am also a boss of a school or a leader of a school. I sometimes, you know, purposely don't give them appreciation, because appreciation dene ke baad we feel like that ye abhi kaam karna band kar dega. So it's what is there. You don't have to express, you don't have to expect anything from them. You have to just focus what you know it, and you should know yourself that what work you're doing is best. So if you do your work best, then things will be positive and you will not feel insulted. I guess, Tanvi ma'am, I've answered your question. If you are not satisfied, you can tell me. I'll give you more examples on this. If Thank you, Chetna ma'am. Any more questions? We still have time. I wanted to have many questions, so I had made the session very short, because this is a topic where we have got general solutions. General, if everyone have different experiences in their life and different experiences for failure, and each one has a different solution. If you share your experiences, then only other persons will also learn. In my life also, I have gone through many failures. Even when you learn cycling, what happens? You fall down every time. That is what, it's a failure, you know. Koi suddenly to cycle chalana nahi seekhta na. What happens? Our parents hold us back, and then we start driving, and we have hope that our parents are back, and then with that confidence we drive. And in this driving also, we fall down number of times, and still what happens? We stand. Even our parents also, what they do, if you are running and we fall down, we don't go and catch them. We say that wo gira hai to khud hi khada hona seekhega. This is the life. If you are failing, you need to stand it by your own.
Ma'am,
if a person runs away from the situation.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sorry to interrupt.
I guess this is the last question we can take.
We also have some questions in the question section of the chat box. So there's a question from Shilpa ma'am, that sometimes parents feel fear about their children's failure. In this case, what will be remedy?
In this case, see, parents has the society fear कि अगर ऐसा हो जाएगा तो कैसे होगा, बच्चा मेरा फेल हो गया तो मैं किसी को मुंह दिखाने के लायक नहीं रहूंगा. So here in this case, parents need to counsel, and parents should know that what exactly does failure means. Failure उनकी जीत society के लिए नहीं है, it is for their self. So बच्चा is more important than the society. The parent must know this first. Very good, Nandita ma'am. Yes, appreciating really motivates. Thank you, Sonia ma'am. Okay, I'll answer this question, Charu ma'am. If a person runs away from the situation, then what to do? Exactly. See, this can be our option when a person fails to run away from the situation. At that moment of time, motivation will help. We need to talk to that person. We need to counsel that person. And what will work, you know, you need to give them options. If you give them a better option, then the person will think in a right direction. Suppose, I'll give you an example of Sushant Singh Rajput. People used to say that he has died by depression. कोई बोलता है मर्डर है बट डिप्रेशन है. आई कुड से दैट अगर उसको फिल्मों के कारण प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी या मनी का प्रॉब्लम, डिड वी गिव, लाइक इफ हिज पेरेंट्स वुड हैव गिवन हिम, आई एम जस्ट गिविंग एन एग्जांपल, इसके जगह पे कोई भी हो सकता है. अगर किसी को फाइनेंशियल फेलियर है, तो इफ देयर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली मेंबर सपोर्ट देम, then absolutely the failure can change into success. If somebody is having a brain, they are not able to focus, and because of that they are failing. So if their friends and family members, if they help them in focusing the things, if they take some sessions where they can improve their focus, automatically they will get success. So everything has a remedy. They need to just analyze that where I'm failing. They need to jot down the points where they are failing. Then only they'll be able to identify what exactly is the problem, and then only they will able to get the solution. Okay. Any questions more? I guess 10 minutes are still left.
Yeah. So thank you, ma'am, for having this session. I would now request Dhrumit sir if he could join us on the stage and share his views on the topic too.
It was very, very great talking to you all. many people participated and it was really very great. I would like to see the feedbacks from the participants, and it was good to talk to you all and having my session into this platform. Thank you, everyone.
Yeah, first of all, thank you, ma'am. And I would definitely like to address a few questions. Like बहुत सारे questions in a rather than chat box questions पे भी बहुत सारे questions हैं, and just
okay, I did not
in a
see
single
those.
answer I would like to address 2-3 questions are there. So first of all, that they ask that some person, if they let us down always, कि हमें हमेशा नीचे खींचते रहते हैं, ऐसे लोग होते हैं. There are few people who always stick with particular thing कि अगर मैं हार गया, अब मैं
Exactly.
we run out from those things, kind of stuff. There is only a simple psychology. Always, it is a request for everyone that if you can realize, our mind is such a way that he always accept some easy way, and the easy way is to run out from the situation. भाग जाओ वहाँ पे. The difficult one is to taking those challenges and fight for that.
Face the challenges.
Whenever you found, yeah, so whenever you found some people who are facing some challenges and they are just running out from those things, we need to explain them, we need to make them aware, and we need to support them in a way that first they should understood that we have to accept those challenges. It may possible that we try again and again and we got failure, but we need to think of the other options and other ways, because when you try some same way, you will get the same result. If you try some another way, you may get some another result. But even if you tried some 2-3 other different ways and you are failing on those things, so you don't need to disappoint yourself. You need to identify and reflect on those things. कि कहाँ पे ये failure आ रहा है. It doesn't mean, and the biggest challenge between that parents and teachers and as a human being is that we always think that this is the race and we have to pass. And that's why we have fear from the failure. If we take those things as a learning point of view, that okay, what we learn from this, then definitely you will get the answers. You definitely find the way and you are able to see the way. For example, I'll give my own example, because I have a bunch of lists that I have failed and feel depressed and fir kya kare and kind of stuff. When I was in a college in graduation time, I was in a NCC, and you see that parade on 20th January, that a student from different states come together and on a Rajpath they're doing parade with the defense guys, right? So when I applied for that, my height was 5'4", and when I went there, the first dialogue or first thing I learned or I heard from that colonel who was there for in a selection committee said that Chotu tera to selection nahi hoga. Why? Because my height is not such, and there is a platform where the scrutinization round where at least 5'10" is the minimum height, and I was 5'4". So this is the first disappointment कि यार मैं यहाँ पे ही fail हो गया. But if I got this, अगर मैं उसी के ऊपर stuck रहा and I continuously looking that यार colonel ने बोल दिया, selection committee ने बोल दिया कि I'm not fit for that, then definitely I will never found the way to get success. My vision and my goal was to be in that troop of NCC in a contingent of that Gujarat. Then what I did it, okay, I accepted that this is my height. I can't do anything for this. But what are the other ways I need to identify? अगर मैं उसी फेलियर के चक्कर में, उसी डर के चक्कर में वहां पे बैठा रहा कि यार नहीं होगा, उसने बोल दिया, अब मैं क्या करूं, then I'll definitely fail. But what I did is I identified different ways कि कहाँ से where they need a skill, और उस स्किल को मैं कैसे शार्पन करूं. Like I'm best in firing, best in skid shooting, drill, command, kind of stuff. And with the fighting of that 7 months, I continues fighting for the 7 months in competition, and I was just selected as a best cadet of Gujarat, and I was there in RDC with the best post. So this is some Usha ma'am or some students have asked that question that what we fail again and again, and this is the answer that failing doesn't matter. It means that you need some more reflection, you need some more experience, and you need more brainstorming that which path you need to select on. कई बार ऐसा होता है कि when we are getting a failure, we blame someone or we directly start blaming ourselves rather than watching that what are the defective areas, जहाँ पे हमें सुधारने की, what are the improvement areas. I'll give you another example, like of lead awards only. One student who participated, he was in a grade 9 at that time, in 2016, I think. No, so 2015. He was participated in lead award. Lead award is a competition organized every year during that every year, and this is the 8th year we are going to do this, where all the participants from different schools, different area comes together and learn the experience of leadership. It is a live competition of leadership, जो आपने कहीं पे भी ऐसा नहीं देखा होगा. So यहाँ पे they participate, go through certain areas, stages by stages they got selected, and that student from one school, he was get a very low score in psychometric assessment. We also doing psychometric assessment in that leadership competition. He was not good in competence. Competence stands for critical thinking, decision making, learning orientation. And still he was fighting. He go through certain trainings, he learns certain new things during this award competition only. And at the end of the lead award ceremony, when the finalists in a grand finale, those who are best, awarded with the trophy and certificate and some scholarship amounts, he was the winner of competence. The person started competition and he was like a very low score in competency mapping, in competence. He is the person who awarded with the competence award. A second example, one girl who is from the very rural area and he participated in lead awards. In 2018, she was not qualified for the final round. And in 2019, she was the winner. We have a girl of one colonel based in Baroda. She was a very shy girl. We don't know much about that girl. But when her father, after winning her award, her father came to us. And he's a colonel, and he shared his experience that my daughter was so shy that she never take part in any competition. Even when there is a get together in their army personnel and their kids perform on the stage, she never went to that stage because she fear and she is very shy. But when she go through certain competition, when she go through with some people, she make networks, she learn something new things, and she develop herself in a way that she is the winner of confidence winner. So this is the story that failure is always there, but if you take failure is a very that tracky texted failure that okay, I am nothing, then you never find the way. Take that failure as an experience that okay, कहाँ पे मैं fail हुआ. Then you will get answers कि यहाँ से हमें कुछ सुधारने की जरूरत है, यहाँ से we can deal with those things. When you found certain people, those who are in failure, those who are a heartbroken person, or those who are in a depression, first give them a support. We need to make them realize that what are their strengths. कई बार हम ऐसा कहते हैं कि we always give the ज्ञान कि नहीं बेटा ऐसा तो होता रहता है and सब कुछ. At that point of time, they were not ready to heard those things because उनको भी पता है कि failure is a part of life. But now they are not make themselves out from this. Then what to do? Then forget about those things. Just push them, give them some warmth, root, उसको support दो, give them the love and care and make them realize that what are their strength, किस चीज में वो बहुत अच्छे हैं. When they start feeling those strength and they start feeling those base area of their own self, then they are ready to fight again. हमको उसको recharge तो करना पड़ेगा ना कोई तरीके से. अगर हम उसी तरीके से और उसी एरिया में उसको ड्रैग करते रहे, then maybe they get irritated कि नहीं बात करनी मुझे. So that's why that's why this Mentor Point station we have designed, and it was free of cost that everybody, every teachers, mentors, and parents can take part in this, because that we want to share our expertise, our knowledge, and a platform जहाँ पे आपके कोई queries है या आपके कोई questions है, उनको हम answers दे सके, उनको एक platform दे सके to ask the questions. And I think this is the best platform. I must say that a lot many questions are there. Shivani, please help me if I miss something because constant chat box is going on, so I'm not able to read all the questions.
Yeah, currently there is no questions at all. I would see peer teachers, parents support help the person to overcome the failure. Absolutely, Seema ma'am has given right suggestions.
Yeah, and I just
one question from Christina ma'am. It's how to deal with people who always let you down.
Yes. Okay. It's happened always. Ma'am, would you like to answer or I?
Yeah, I would like to say that when people are negative towards us, see, we have a circle of good people and bad people. If you feel that that people, that person, whoever is criticizing you, you need to just think that that person is criticizing you for the right thing or to put you down. Because criticisms can be in two ways. It would be positive even and negative even. If you take that criticism in a positive manner, then you can grow. But if you take that criticism in a negative manner, then what you can do is that if you don't like that person, you can cut short talking to that person and be with the people who are motivators and who take you positively. Then only you will be able to feel yourself motivated when you be with the positive mindset of people. You can put your input, sir, into
Yeah,
it.
and yeah, definitely. So I'll definitely say that because I'm handling a group of team, and with my journey, I have to learn with a different groups and different mindset of people. कई बार ऐसा होता है that we started feeling that they are letting us down, that हमारे हमेशा टांग खींचते रहते हैं और kind of stuff. Why we feel those? Because हमारे लिए something negative comes from their side. Because we feel that is negative.
Exactly.
But यहाँ पे we have to understand the both the ways. Why that person is criticizing us, why that person wants to let us down, or it is just we feel that he or she is let us down. Maybe it may possible that that person is is a good well wisher for us, and the maybe he or she didn't get some a particular word to express you कि आपको ऐसा करना चाहिए. Maybe वो criticism is the best way to express their point of view, but we need to understand that person. अगर he is or she is criticizing you or let you down, then talk to them that what is your problem. आपको कहाँ पे लगता है कि I'm wrong in that side. ऐसे लोगों के लिए आपको डायरेक्टली उनसे बात करनी चाहिए एंड गो विथ नॉट फॉर फाइटिंग, गो टू गेट योर आंसर्स, गो टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट पर्सन. इफ यू गो फॉर अ फाइटिंग यू विल गेट फाइट. इफ यू गो फॉर द आंसर्स एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट पर्सन, यू विल डेफिनेटली अंडरस्टूड दैट पर्सन कि वो क्यों कर रहा है. either that person stop letting you down in front of all, either if he is a very right person, he will give you a accurate answer कि आप कहाँ पे ये गलती कर रहे हो, and that's why he is let you down in front of all. Like I'll take my example, my own dad. If I do any mistakes, he's not like the other parents जो बच्चों को ऐसे नहीं मेरा बेटा है तो शांत में घर पे जाके वो डांटेंगे. No, if I made a mistake in front of all, he just scold us. He will never think about कि क्या लगेगा किसको लगेगा, because and from that time I start realizing myself that अच्छा ये सबके सामने ही बोलेंगे, so better I'll take care. दूसरा, I'll ask him कि क्या problem है. So it doesn't mean that he's my father, like he never wants to me let down or criticize me that वो मुझे नीचे दिखाना चाहते हैं. It's all about that he wants something best from me. So maybe whenever someone criticizing me, I'll take this in a way that okay, like my father is criticizing, let me ask that what is the problem. And as my father told me and all the points, maybe they can tell me those things. So let's just change our point of view. Sometimes it may happen that our point of view is a very bigger thing that हम लोगों को दुश्मन समझने लगते हैं. Sometimes वही बहुत अच्छे लोग साबित होते हैं. As a manager, I can say that with my own experience that when I was starting in my career, my manager was like, "Dhrumi, तुमने ये गलत किया, Dhrumi, तुम्हें यहाँ सुधारने की जरूरत है." मुझे लगता था यार कैसा बंदा है. I'm get frustrated. But when I'm a manager, I used to go those things when I'm I'm saying to my team, then I'm realizing that okay, that person is telling me something for my betterment. So sometimes it may happen that हमें लगता है कि this person is not good for us, but sometimes it's may very good for us, but we have certain kind of क्या पर्दा है हमारी आंखों के सामने तो हम नहीं देख पाते हैं. So sometimes we have to change our point of view. दो तरीके उसमें हमें हेल्प हो सकती है. एक, either हमें सॉल्यूशन मिलेगा. दूसरा, we find some other way for our own peace कि हमें उस क्रिटिसिज्म में जाना ही नहीं है. That's it.
There is a question from Nandita. Nandita ma'am has given us a question that what if the person who is only good for job, but the management gets carried away by the 50 politics supposed to do. Usha ma'am asked this question, but I too would like to know. See, it's like, politics is everywhere. If you say that people are different mindsets, no people are same. जैसे हमारे 5 उंगलियां सेम नहीं होती है, same way there are very different types of people everywhere, and what we have to do is that we need to train ourselves to face those difficulties. There are many people who are having the habit of pulling others down. So this is a politics when they they pull others down. So at that moment of time we need to train ourselves that what is our skill, what is our focus. I'll give an example. एक स्टोरी था जहाँ पे एक आदमी ऐसा बोल रहा था कि there are many people who criticize me. So what his boss has given him a glass of water and said that you need to this filled glass without dropping a single drop of water. You need to reach till my office. This glass should be same. No water should be fallen down. So what he did, he kept his complete focus on the glass, and without seeing here and there, he only kept the focus on his glass, and he reached to his office and said that, sir, I have come and not a single drop of water has been dropped down. He said, then people did not ask you question when you were coming. He said, I did not bother to them. I did not talk to them because my focus was on the glass. So in same way, when you have people who are talking nonsense behind you or in front of you, you need to just focus on your work, on your job. Then only you will be able to understand that this is what we need to do, because our life problems and solutions we only can manage. किसी और के हमारी लाइफ का अगर फोकस हम हटा देंगे तो we will not be able to manage our success, like failure or we will not be able to get success. There is another question like how can we train the children to face failure? See, बच्चों को जैसे सर ने भी यही बोला, बच्चे को अगर पहले से हम सिखा दे कि फेलियर एंड सक्सेस इज पार्ट एंड पार्सल, ट्राई करेंगे तो जीतेंगे भी और हारेंगे भी, दोनों भी एक्सेप्टेड है. फेलियर इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप ऑफ सक्सेस. अगर ये सिखा के रखेंगे बच्चे को तो डेफिनेटली ही विल नेवर गेट अपसेट. अगर 10 में से 10 डिक्टेशन में नहीं आया है, you need to tell them at least you have scored 8, so that is also good. Admire his whatever he has got.
And I'm totally against this word failure.
Exactly.
ये failure है ही नहीं. It is just an experience. Like my father was not a graduate person. He's just a 10th pass out, right? And what I learned from him is that he never forced me that तेरा इतना ही होना चाहिए. He just told me that do your best. Like and from that experience, I am never worried about कि मैं fail हो गया तो क्या करूँगा. I'm always worried about that how I can give my best. So failure it's just a word. It is an experience. जो आपको it's make you more stronger. That person without failure is person is not that much fit in this world. Because at that one point of time अगर उसको failure सामने आया when he was in a adulthood, then he will definitely go in a depression. But if child is ready to face those things, like अगर किसी को स्कूल में कभी डांट दिया या कभी कुछ ऐसा हुआ, then don't pamper them. If as a teacher or as a parents, if we are pampering our student or child now, then it's just like that we are making them a sorrow. When they are alone, when nobody is with them to fight, how will you manage them? Like अभी आपके बच्चे हैं, आपके students हैं, आप उनको pamper कर रहे हो, समझा रहे हो, but when they go in a market, like office politics is always there, then they will not survive.
Yes,
they will go in failure. Like relationship पूरा हो गया, then they will failure part. So as a parents, we need to train them that not to forget about that. This is the result is just about to understand कि आपको कहाँ पे और सुधारने की जरूरत है और कहाँ पे हमें ध्यान देने की जरूरत है. It's just like that. It's not about that you are fail. It is just about कि यहाँ पे आपको और improvement करने की जरूरत है. And we can take this in this way. I think I'll definitely share one video in our 5th lead award. Captain Raghuraman, who is right now security chief in Reliance, he is a very good keynote speaker and TEDx speaker. He said that during that soldier trainings, जब उनकी NDA में trainings होती है, there is always that saying, जितना पसीना अभी फील्ड के ऊपर बहाओगे, इतना ही आपका खून कम बहेगा when you are in a war. So आप अपने बच्चों को थोड़ा push कीजिए that don't stick them to just focus on study and subject. Let them go out, ask them some difficult questions. let them face some failure. उनको सिचुएशन में डालो एंड लेट देम हैंडल. आप दौड़ के मत चले जाओ कि अच्छा बेटा आप यहाँ पे ऐसा कर दो. इफ देयर इज सम प्रोजेक्ट्स गिवन बाय स्कूल्स, लेट देम डू. अगर नहीं कर पाते, नहीं पता है कि कौन सा कलर कैसे पूरे, डोंट हेल्प. Let them go with that wrong color and ask, and let the teachers ask and get angry on them कि ये क्या बकवास लेके आए हो आप. अगर वो सुनेगा तब दूसरी बार उसका ध्यान रहेगा. अभी हमारा मतलब ये पेरेंटहुड में ये चीज आ गई कि एवरी टाइम वी आर जस्ट सपोर्टिंग कि मेरा बच्चा ये, मेरा बच्चा वो. एज अ टीचर फॉर अ रिजल्ट पर्पस, आई डोंट नो व्हाई वी आर जस्ट पैम्परिंग देम. डोंट पैम्पर. It's make them very vulnerable person. So just make them, teach them some hard thing. Let them face some hard thing, because अभी वो ऐसा hard thing face करेगा, then as a parents or a teacher you are there उसको failure से बाहर निकालने के लिए. But when he is in adulthood और तब वो fail होगा और अब तक उसने कभी experience ही नहीं किया उसका failure, then we can't survive or we can't save them. ये जो suicide के ratios बढ़े हैं, that is the reason.
Yes, because we can't digest failure.
हाँ, पहले ऐसा था कि मम्मी पापा या टीचर्स कूट देते थे बच्चों को. लाइक आई एम जस्ट यूजिंग दैट वर्ड कूटना, बिकॉज वो मारना नहीं होता था, कूटना होता था. एंड वी आर यूज्ड टू इट. ठीक है, वो मार पड़ेगी ही पड़ेगी. और अब और ऐसा कोई फेल्यूर आया तो वी डोंट मच केयर अबाउट दैट कि यार रिजल्ट फेल हो गया, क्या पड़ेगा, पता है कि पापा मारेंगे. बट यहाँ पे फेल हो गया तो मैं लोगों को क्या जवाब दूंगा, मेरे मम्मी पापा को क्या करेंगे, एंड देन काइंड ऑफ स्टफ गोइंग इन माइंड, राइट? So that's why we don't need to pamper them, make them a hard person, whether she's a boy or a girl. How can a student speak?
So that is, I think we will take the last question because we are already over the time. So it is that how can a student be convinced that the parents will support them in their pursuit of fine arts in life and not force them to take science or math?
So if you want to convince your student, they will not get convinced, because that word is wrong. It shows that you are going to convince them. If you are a friend, like just think like you are a friend. तो आप किसी को convince करने नहीं जाते हो, you are just showing them कि ये, I think you can try this. So अगर बच्चों को ऐसा लगा, that कई बार ऐसा होता है कि as a parents we always say that let's talk like a friend, लेकिन जब वो फ्रेंडली कुछ बात करने लगता है, then अचानक अंदर का पेरेंट बाहर आ जाता है. So this is the experience I am sharing from my Tinopine session. Tinopine session where जैसे यहाँ के Mentopine में teachers and mentors are here, वैसे ही Tinopine का we have a group जहाँ पे सारे students come and share their experience, and we have one topic that sharing with parents is cuddle or what was that, Shivani? Cuddle or combat, and then they share that हम as a friend तो share करते हैं, लेकिन फिर अचानक उनके अंदर से parents बाहर आ जाता है, and they just say कि नहीं आपको ऐसा ही करना है.
Yes, exactly.
So and for that also, if there are certain tools are there जहाँ पे you can analyze your child, whether you are a student or a teacher or a parents, you can analyze your child and then show them a right way कि बेटा ये आपकी qualities है तो आप इसमें ज्यादा जा सकते हो. Go with logic. The today's generation is too logical. They can understood very nicely if you go with the logic. लेकिन अगर ऐसे ही हवाई बातें करके गए, they will definitely understood कि ये convince करने आए हैं, and they just stop their self. वो lock कर देंगे, आप कुछ भी बोलो वो नहीं सुनेंगे. So go with logic कि उनके पास क्या क्या qualities है बच्चों के पास in real, and क्या क्या improvement areas है, and based on that help them to suggest some career or any kind of stuff. Then it will helpful. I'm very happy that this session was going on, and this question answer is going. It is very interactive. We'll definitely take another session on whatever subjects you like. But I would just request all of you that please log into our that WhatsApp group. So आपको कभी भी तो every Sunday we have the session. So as a teacher or a mentor, you can join us in that session. It is a free of course. So to get that updates, please join that group. Shivani, if you can share that link again, so that in that group we are not going to share anything. यहाँ पे सिर्फ आपको अपडेट मिलेंगी regarding upcoming programs, so you can join there. Second, we have several different programs like Lead Award is about to start. Lead Award is a process like leadership competition come developmental program. जहाँ पे student will give a psychometric assessment, then they will go through certain trainings on confidence, on character building, on decision making, on team building from the experts, those who are a top ranked trainer from the India. Then they got some challenging task. Earlier till the 7th lead award ऐसा था कि we give them a real task जहाँ पे they went in a society and they need to work for a 1 month, जहाँ पे उनका vacation time होता था to get a real time exposure. तो रियलिटी को उसको फेस करना था, वेदर दिस अ फेलियर और सक्सेस और अ टीम बिल्डिंग. लेकिन बिकॉज ऑफ दैट कोविड इफेक्ट वी हैव डिजाइन दिस कंप्लीट वर्चुअल प्रोग्राम जहां पे उसको वर्चुअल चैलेंजेस दी जाएगी वेयर दे नीड टू अप्लाई देयर ब्रेन्स, दे नीड टू check their capabilities, their strength, team में कैसे काम होता है and all. And it is a very interesting program. Those who participated and those who belongs to Baroda and nearby cities, उनको पता है because it is a continuously 8th year जो every year होता है, and this year it is open to India level. So कहीं से भी आप participate करते हो and it is a virtual, तो आपको कोई difficulty नहीं होगी. Each and every stage we are there, we are personally there, so don't worry about that. And there are also different programs, so we'll share all the details in that WhatsApp group and in social media, so you can join us. The objective of LEAD is to build ethical, confident and competent India, and that's why we focus purely on adolescents, because these are the new generation leaders. अगर हम अभी से उनको तैयार करेंगे, then and then they, when in a future they become an adult, and whatever profession they choose, they may be a doctor, engineer, a politician, whatever my profession may be, but they are good in confidence, good with character, good collaboration skills, and a lot many things, so that we get a trained people who think about this. तो ये जो सारी बातें हम यहाँ पे बात शेयर कर रहे हैं कि बच्चों को कैसे तैयार करें, लीड इज अ प्लेटफॉर्म टू गिव देम अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड अ प्लेटफॉर्म जहाँ पे दे विल डिस्कवर देयर सेल्फ, दे विल डेवलप देयर सेल्फ with the help of psychologists and trainers, and get platform to show their capabilities. So you can join us anytime. And thanks a lot, ma'am, that you spend your time with us, and I think, I hope it's a...
Thank you, it was a great time.
Thank you, ma'am. Susan, thank you. And thank you very much all the participants, and you can join us and you can ask us any questions in a WhatsApp group also, so we are always there to help you all. Thank you, thanks a lot.
Thank you everyone, bye bye. Thank you, Shivani.
Thank you everyone. Thank you ma'am for joining us, and it was really good to have you. Thank you sir for taking the session and handling the questions again. And thank you everyone. I think today is Guru Purnima, and failure is failure is also a great teacher in our life, and it was really a great coincidence to have failure rising above failure as a topic on the day of Guru Purnima. So thank you everyone. Very happy Guru Purnima to all the teachers, principals and everyone who has joined us today here. Thank you ma'am, and we will see you soon on the next Sunday. So we have this session on every Sunday at 5 p.m.
Yeah.
Hoping to see you all again on next Sunday. Thank you. Bye bye.